Very good evening to everybody. Today we are going to see the chapter in social subject democratic politics. Under democratic politics, political parties lesson. Lesson name is political parties. In the political parties, what is the step we are going to see? That is, first of all, what do you mean by about political parties is through politics only our government is running on. Without politics, it would be impossible. So, for that purpose, what is a political party? A political party is a group of people who follow an ideology and thus come together to contest elections and hold power in the government. That is, what in the political parties, what is the main content is? In parties, there are n number of parties are there in our India. Not only in India, in all over the world, in each and every country, there are different political parties, and each political party will have their own ideology, and they will think it of how this ideology and ideas will be implemented to the peoples and how it would be beneficial and how it would be the main advantage for the peoples to serve in the nation or country. So, by that perspective, a political party is a group of people who follow an ideology. In a political party, for example, here in Tamil Nadu, there are different political parties are there. That is Dravida Kalagam, Dravida Munnetra Kalagam DMK, All India Anna Dravida Munnetra Kalagam AI ADMK, Maruvalichi Dravida Munnetra Kalagam MDMK, Deshiya Murpokku Dravida Kalagam DMDK, PMK, Patali Makkal Katchi, VCK, Vidudalai Sirthigal Katchi, and next there are still many parties are there. Likewise, then Tamilaga Valurumai Katchi, TVK, Tamilaga Valurumai Katchi. Then Communist Party of India, Marxist, Communist Party of India. Likewise, different political parties are there. But each political party will have their own ideology, and they will implement to the peoples with their own criteria. That is what? By having their own ideology, they will contest in the elections, and if they win, they said that they need to hold power in the government. If they get power in the government, then it will be beneficial. If it is a good thing, if it has been implemented to the peoples, then it would be a very much beneficial to the peoples. This is what about political parties. Then next, what are the functions of the political parties? What are the functions of political parties? Political parties, mainly the parties will be contest in the elections, and once if they are contesting in the elections, they will fight with other party candidate. That is, for example, how I can say as from Congress party example, from Congress party one candidate is going to stand up in the election, going to contest in the election, and from BJP one candidate will contest in the election for the particular constituency, means they both will contest through the election. So they will be elected from the political party, and mainly they will be fought mainly among the political parties for the elections. Likewise, for each and every constituency, the candidates will be named. Parties select the candidates in different ways. So, in some countries, what the thing means, that is, in USA and all, members and supporters only will choose their candidates. But in India, what the thing is going on, the leaders of that particular party, they only will select the candidate, and they will say as this candidate is eligible to contest in the election in this constituency. Likewise, in India, what are all the chronological ideas they are having is only for each and every political party, they will form a separate committee, and in that committee, the top leaders will be available in that committee, and they will select the candidate, and they only will choose, okay, this candidate is fit to stand in the to contest in the election. So that is what party leaders choose their candidates for contesting in election. Parties will put forward different policies and programs. This is what about one of the functioning of the political parties. But no government will handle a large views. This is what about the functions of the political parties. What are the characteristics of a political party? Characteristics of a political party means mainly the ideology which should be there, the presence should be available. That is what about the characteristics of the political party. Policies will be arising from one to one. Someone will have one policy and some other parties will have different policy. So whatever the policies are there, the policies need to implement, and they need to think whether this policy would be benefited for the peoples. So for that purpose only, this is the political parties need to urge their ideology and the category of each functions. Who would be the main people of the political party? If there is a political party, who are and all will be there? The party leaders, party workers, and supporters of the party. Supporters means some of the peoples, they won't be a member of the particular party, but they will be the supporter of the party. So this is what about the characteristics of a political party. Remaining questions we will see it in the next class. Thank you.